CM Panchal, exercise number 40. Interview method is the most important and common method of selecting the staff. Applications are called for from the intending candidates and they are asked to supply their educational qualifications, experience, previous post, held salaries, drawn special attainments, if any, etc. A careful record is prepared and the candidate is interviewed by the personal manager or by a group of officials. Interviews may be granted to individual or they may be group interviews. This system has its advantages as it helps to assess a candidate's mental ability and also his temperamental character. It is true to say that in any type of staff selection, interview cannot be dispensed with, but at the same time, this method has certain serious limitations. The most important is that there are certain which are not susceptible to observation. Certain special abilities also cannot be observed. For example, a person for an accountant's post may be neatly dressed and may be smart in appearance but does not give any clue to this ability as an accountant. Secondly, the interviewer must be absolutely impartial and himself well informed in the subject of the interviewer. His personal views and prejudices cannot be entirely eliminated. Again, he is also subject to changing moods and he may not interview all the candidates in the same manner. Lastly, it is difficult to maintain identical conditions for all candidates. For all these reasons, recruiting by interview method is not suitable in all cases. Their personal department applies not only intelligence, aptitude, and psychological tests, but a sample test is also applied. This means a person is asked to do a specimen of a job under standard conditions to find out all the necessary qualities for the job. A typist may be asked to type a letter in a given time. Over.